Namaskar, good evening. I, Priyamada Das, on behalf of KCM Connect, welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Sir, respected Chairperson, Sir, of the program, Executive Director of KCM Connect, and members of Team KCM Connect, distinguished delegates from industries, ladies and gentlemen on the welcome on behalf of KCM Connect, who has clubbed us all on this very auspicious day of 23rd June 2020, the day of Rath Yatra of Lord Sri Jagannath, to celebrate the day by rolling out the Wheel of Convoy, your transport partner. Founded in 2014, Kashyap Computing and Management Private Limited, also known as KCM Connect, an IT-enabled service provider with years of experience and expertise and dedication with perfection of its founder in application development and consultancy for various clients, including transporters of renowned automobile manufacturer, came up with an innovative and ever-developing concept of Convoy. Convoy is committed and a pioneer in bringing the transportation and the supply chain management of offline transportation to online platform. To elaborate the concept and the idea of Convoy, I would like to invite Sri Rajiv Kumar, Executive Director, KCM Connect, who is the person behind making this dream of Convoy into reality with his hard work and visionary leadership. To deliver his welcome speech, all the dignitaries through his exclusive wordings. Over to Sri Rajiv Kumar.
Thank you, Priyamada.
Thank you, sir.
Respected Chief Guest, Sri Vineet Goenka ji, Secretary of Center for Knowledge Sovereignty, Member of Governing Council at CRIS CRIS Ministries of Railways, Government of India, former member of Task Force at Ministries of Road Transportation, Highways and Shipping, Government of India, and also former National Co-Convener of IT Cell at Bharatiya Janata Party. Respected Chairperson of today's launch program, Professor Prabal Kumar Sen sir, Advisory Board Member of KCM Connect, retired Professor of Economics Area, as well as Founder Chairperson of Entrepreneurship Development Center at Premier Business School, XLRI Jamshedpur, ex-banker at Regional Headquarter of one of PSU Bank, former Professor at Institute of Rural Management, Anand, and currently Adjunct Professor at IIM Amritsar. All the dignitaries present in this live launch program in online room. Guests attending the live streaming on different social media platforms, ladies and gentlemen. Today is very auspicious day, 23rd June 2020, is marked as procession of Holy Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath with his family. I, Rajiv Kumar, Executive Director and Founder of an IT company, KCM Connect, welcome you all to this inaugural ceremony as well as official online launch of our dream project, Convoy, which is developed under the aegis of KCM Connect. So to begin with Convoy, let me take you to a tour of KCM Connect because this Convoy project is developed under the banner of KCM Connect. KCM Connect, the Kashyap Computing and Management Private Limited, was started in year 2014, and that too again under mentorship of the chairperson of today's program, Professor Prabal Sen sir. This was started with consultancy to few transporters of TTCA. TTCA is mainly known as Tata Motors Transporters Companies Association. We have also served government departments as well as private sectors. So we begin our journey with one of the major automobile company. Somewhere it got into our DNA. We thought that logistic and supply chain and the role of the transportation is in our day-to-day life. We cannot get rid of that. Even if we have our food in our plate, that is through the transportation. So logistic and supply chain is very much essential thing that should be looked into very carefully and very organized manner. So we started looking into that. So we had a constant connect with few of the transporter from TTCA, and I also have previous experience working with Tata Motors as an intern for their market research for some of their commercial vehicles. I have I have experience dealing with distributors of Tata Motors also. So somewhere I was getting all the details from the market. I was looking into the granules of the transportation, the supply chain, and the people associated with this. So we started finding out the problem with this market research. I have seen the pain of the transporters and the drivers. Sometimes driver itself is the transporter, or transporter itself is driver, because they are operating in a small number. One may not be a big transporter, because we have big transportation houses also, which we know very well. We know their brand name also, but there are many who are playing at the small level. So they should not be neglected. They should not be left somewhere. They are working very hard to in this scenario. Also, we have seen that the essential commodities also reach to us just because of this transportation. And we have seen our Honorable Minister for the Transportation, Nitin Gadkari ji, also, he was generally live on almost each and every day and was addressing the transportation and the supply chain part, what is happening. So I have seen all that thing. I have worked with the transporters also. I have worked with one of the major automobile industry. So what it got to do with the convoy? So at the heart, I am an entrepreneur. So finding gap and figuring out the solution is my job, and that should benefit the people at large. So in the last leg of year 2018, we started KCM Connect in 2014. We were working for some other things also, but in the year last month of year 2018, I started sharing my experiences of this market research and dealing with these people with my core team. And then we come up with not only innovative, but indigenous and very user-friendly application. We thought of developing that. So the entire team got aligned. We all had we all had distributed work. We all have shared the load, and then we started working on it. So we came up with user-friendly UI with button click action and very less input, because we know that these people are not, many of the people are not too much fluent with the usage, or too much fluent with the English language or the other language. So we thought that let's not put many things to enter or just type. Let it be just click, 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 and click. So that is how we started working on this application, and we developed this over this period of time. So what is the big deal? What is the difference will it make? There are many players, and we have automobile industry also. So how this is going to impact uh, the lives of the others, or how, what other things that we are looking into that it would be solving. So I would summarize Convoy as a marketplace for drivers. They are the people, many of us would care less about them. They are the ones who are taking responsibility to carry our goods from one point to the other, and still we don't consider we don't look much into their problems. So this application will be looking into their problem, and we will have a facility of creating driver pool, and any transporter who wish to hire anyone, they will have fair chances, and there won't be any shortage, because most often what happens that transporter feel that यार सामान लेकर जाना है. Okay, I'll keep this in Hindi also sometime, because the target audience should also understand that, because we are live also. So what actually happens कि या तो सामान लेकर जाना है लेकिन ड्राइवर ही नहीं मिल रहा है, या नहीं तो जो ड्राइवर है हमारे पास में उनमें से लेट्स से कि किसी की तबीयत खराब हो गई, तो उस केस में रुकना नहीं चाहिए. अगर चक्का रुक गया तो लॉस है. लॉस कहाँ पर? लॉस इकोनॉमी पर ही होता है अल्टीमेटली. तो उस समय हम इस चीज को समझ रहे हैं कि रुकना नहीं चाहिए. रुकना नहीं चाहिए तो फिर क्या करना होगा? What we need to do is create a pool for the drivers. तो किसी भी समय में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो ट्रांसपोर्टर्स को, and those drivers are authenticated drivers. Why? I'll cover that in due course of time. So we have a market. This Convoy will also provide marketplace for transporters also. Even if you have presence on our application, is transporter, then also they can go for the offline transaction also. The biggest problem transporter used to face when I did my market research, that their return booking was not getting filled. They were very curious of that कि ठीक है मेरी गाड़ी यहाँ से तो वहाँ चली जाएगी, वहाँ से खाली आती है, या नहीं तो पैसे नहीं मिलते, या कभी मिले भी तो उसका सही से हिसाब नहीं मिलता है. अब वो प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है. कन्वाई के थ्रू हम उस चीज को करने वाले हैं कि हाँ, आप किस तरह से रिटर्न बुकिंग का भी सब रख सकते हैं. Then we are incentivizing drivers also, कि उनको सैलरी या बाकी सब चीजें तो मिलेंगी, उसमें और क्या होने वाला है. जब आप ड्राइवर्स का ख्याल रखेंगे तो ऑब्वियस ही बात है वो गाड़ी और सामान दोनों का ख्याल रखेंगे और आपको आपके सही जगह तक आपके सामान को पहुंचा कर. कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आई वुड से दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. कहीं भी आपको हार्डली मैटर्स, जैसे हम पैसेंजर व्हीकल में देखते हैं ओला या उबर के ऐप के साथ, कि आप जहां पर है वहां से बुक कर सकते हैं. किसी और जगह के बुक करने के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रिसीजन चाहिए आपको, कि किसी और के लिए अगर बुक कर रहे हैं तो वेयर दे आर, एंड देन आप उनको शेयर करते हैं. बट यहाँ पर लेट्स से यू आर सिटिंग इन बैंगलोर एंड यू आर बुकिंग कंसाइनमेंट फॉर योर पेरेंट, and they are in tier 2 city like Jamshedpur or Ranchi. आप वहां से उनके बिहाफ पर भी बुक कर सकते हैं, एंड प्रिसाइजली विद देयर हाउस नंबर एंड लोकेलिटी. इसमें मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए कि कहाँ से रहेगा, या पॉइंटर मुझे उस जगह चाहिए मैप के ऊपर में. नो, इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. पॉइंटर विल ऑटोमेटिकली वर्क विद व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, एंड आई विल बी कवरिंग इन नेक्स्ट सेक्शन. So customer will have the flexibility to book part and full load also. No worries. So we have other facility that most of the transporter looked. कि ट्रैक एंड ट्रेस करने की प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि जितने बड़े प्लेयर्स हैं, जितने बड़े ट्रांसपोर्टर्स हैं, या इवन आज के टाइम में जो कंपनीज से गाड़ियां निकल रही हैं कॉमर्शियल व्हीकल्स, उनमें तो जीपीएस या नहीं तो ट्रैकिंग का सारा सिस्टम फिट होता है. बट जो पुरानी गाड़ियां रोड पर दौड़ रही है उनके साथ में क्या, उनको क्या इसी तरह से छोड़ दे, जबकि ज्यादातर हमारा 90% से ऊपर का जो नंबर्स है वो पुरानी गाड़ियों का है. तो उनको हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, उनको कैसे हम इनकॉर्पोरेट करेंगे. नई गाड़ियां अच्छी बात है, बड़े प्लेयर्स अच्छी बात है, छोटे कैसे करेंगे. छोटे में यहाँ पर है कि हम इस एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू ही कर रहे हैं. जो व्हीकल का ट्रैकिंग वगैरह है वो हुआ, वो ट्रांसपोर्टर अपने खुद एप्लीकेशन पे देख सकते हैं, एंड ईच इंडिविजुअल व्हीकल दे कैन ट्रैक. कि मतलब ऐसा है कि उनके फ्लीट में लेट्स से दे हैव मोर देन वन व्हीकल, लेट्स से दे हैव 5 व्हीकल्स, सो दे कैन ट्रैक ईच व्हीकल्स with their corresponding section given in this application. Customer के लिए, customer can also start tracking their application. तो वहाँ उनका ट्रैकिंग कहाँ से शुरू हुआ और कब तक आ रहा है, उस हिसाब से भी वो अपना लगा सकते हैं यहाँ पर. कि मतलब end to end tracking they can see. Then easy navigation for drivers also. It is not that we are providing services to transporter or to the customers only. We are providing services to drivers also. कि ड्राइवर्स का बहुत बार रहता है कि रास्ते में कहीं पर है, अच्छा भैया ये रास्ता कहाँ पड़ेगा, या नहीं तो काफी दूर तक निकल गए हैं और रास्ते में कोई भी नहीं दिखा. जनरली ये लेट इवनिंग के बाद में होता है या रात के टाइम में कि कोई भी रास्ते पर दिखे नहीं तो वो पूछेंगे कहाँ पर, until or unless they find any check post somewhere. ठीक है, हाईवे पे चल रहे हैं या किसी जगह लोकेलिटी में है तब तो बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहती है, लेकिन हाईवे की अगर हम बात करें वहां पर कैसे रहेगा. सो इफ वी हैव a navigation system which will help them to travel from one point to the end without asking anyone, that would help them. So that is how we will help them. But how? Question is यहाँ पे कैसे करेंगे. So everyone knows, and if I would ask कि कैसे करेंगे तो everyone will say Google Map है ना. But the question here comes which I would I would request कि or and you will come to know when our chief guest Shri Vineet Goenka ji will address us. Data sovereignty, how it matters and why we are looking into data thing to be within our own country and to be in our own location. So to deal with the tracking and all those navigation system, we have decided not to go with the Google Map. We are working with some of the vendors to operate this navigation map system from our own satellite deployed by ISRO. ISRO deployed many satellites, and today we have very good navigation system provided by ISRO. And believe me, there are some of the navigation system, if you use that, you will find it mind-boggling over to Google Map. Google Map provides you a one-to-one point, but there you will see each house mapped on that. So this is the beauty that ISRO navigation system is providing. So we have thought of using that, and that will help. And that was the reason I told you that if you are booking from Bangalore to your parent sitting in Ranchi, you just need to enter your house address and all those details of your address, and the system will pick it up from that navigation system, and that is how it will help you to start from particular location to the end point very precisely. So from security point of view, what we are providing in this is KYC for transporter, driver, and customer. All three are the main user of this application. We are doing KYC for each individual. So even if you don't know who is carrying your system, whether they are good or not, you will have fair chance to judge them. Whether the driver is certified or not, or if anything happens, you will have fair chance to judge that also. And whether your customer is a legal one or something different, you will have fair chance to get details from our application. So I have covered that why and what, why we need this convoy and what it is providing. But now it's turn of how. So how this will be beneficial. We have developed one application, we have provided all the features. What else? How it will benefit the each stakeholders, and each stakeholder I mean with each stakeholder is not only transporter, driver, or customer. There is the people associated directly or indirectly with these direct stakeholders, and ultimately our government, because our economy and GDP also matters. So technically, I would say how it will help that it is easy to use features with only click, and your booking and delivery is done. So that is how we are doing. And economically, how it will be beneficial. So Since we started very long in year 2018, and now we have come up with this. But the very good thing that our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has said, that be vocal for local. So we are not going to share our data with Google anymore. We are trying to incorporate satellite data from ISRO. So our data will be here, and that data, what we are capturing, will be sent through the same application, not ours, the navigation system application, back to the ISRO, and day by day, uh, the data of these navigation system will get improved with more and more precision. So ultimately, our government will get details of those if we are able to, if we have incorporated those data. So the other thing I would say that only 7% of the 7% of our economy is covered by the organized sector. Mostly 90 to 93% are unorganized, and that transportation also come into that. Most of the part of the transportation and logistics come into this unorganized sector. So our honorable PM has worked tirelessly to bring the GDP and uh, keeping check on that through GST part of that. So once we have all the stakeholder organized, then definitely it will have impact on national economy also. We all know that transportation is backbone of the country. The users ranging from big corporates to MSME and to the farmers as well. In recent time, we have seen that the call was from the Prime Minister to the transporters to get associated with ENAM, that electronical national agriculture market. So where the essential things can be supplied from the farm to our bucket without any hassles. So organizing will surely help economy and GDP. Uh, I, I I believe that Prabhat sir will talk more on that. I won't take much time on this part. Uh, one more thing that we analyzed with our market research, that maintenance is one of the major thing that transporter face day by day, and the moment चक्का रुक जाए तो इकोनॉमी के ऊपर असर आता है. तो गाड़ी अगर चल रही है और उसमें अधिकतर टाइम रुक जाए अगर, या मेंटेनेंस के लिए टाइम लग जाए, तो उस केस में है कि थोड़ा बहुत इम्पैक्ट तो आता ही है इकोनॉमी पर. हमारा एप्लीकेशन जो है वो इस चीज को भी कर रहा है, एंड कोशिश हमारी ये है कि हम ऑटोमोटिव इंडस्ट्री के साथ गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इस तरह से एसोसिएट हो कि गाड़ी का, जो कि हमारा अगर आप देखोगे उस पे लोगों में वी हैव यूज्ड AI, artificial intelligence. So going forward, we have a plan to incorporate that also. So near future we would see कि गाड़ी चल रही है और उसका मेंटेनेंस का टाइम हो गया है, या फिर किसी जगह कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. उन सभी चीजों पर हम देखेंगे कि मतलब सिस्टम उनको हेल्प कर रहा है, और मेंटेनेंस टाइम जिस समय रिड्यूस होगा, गाड़ी हमारी हमेशा चेक में रहेगी, तंदुरुस्त रहेगी, इकोनॉमी भी हमारा चलता रहेगा. We also have planned to boost small entrepreneurs through this application. How? So we will try to boost, we will try to build up small entrepreneurs to come up in this maintenance service category, other than what we have the authorized service center from the big players. So that is how we will be providing employability also. And we have planned to set up our call centers in with regional speaking people in tier 2 or tier 3 cities, not in the big city, so that it will create direct and indirect employment also. So we all know that data is the next oil, and whatever we will be generating data from this, we are trying to keep those data within our country so that our economy, our sovereignty should be intact. So with this, I thank all our chief guests, the chairperson of the program, all our dignitaries on behalf of Team KCM Connect. Thank you. Now I would request our chief guest, Sri Vineet Goenka ji, to launch this program officially. Uh, we will have a short video played first, then the launch of the website, and then we will have privilege to listen our chief guest. Thank you all. So over to Sri Vineet Goenka ji.
Thank you. First, let me wish everybody a very happy Rath Yatra. Today is a very auspicious day and one of the very important day in this subcontinent where we see Lord Jagannath traveling, and you're also talking about logistics. So the logistic part, I think, probably is there. And I'm very happy to launch this particular program. If somebody knows, what is 14% of Indian GDP goes in logistics, and that is a huge amount, because when you purchase something, the cost of that purchase has has to be a big impact, and the target of the country is to bring it down from 14% to 10% by 2020. Well, there are 20 government agencies, almost around 40% partnering government agencies are there who look after this. We have more than 37 export promotion councils. And somebody who is into logistic business will know that there are not less than 400 certifications which are required. And that is, one is PSU, but maybe many other things which are required there. And in India itself, we have more than 10,000 categories of commodities, 10,000 categories which are there. And what is the market size? The market size is more than 160 billion. So it's a huge market size. We have 1.3 billion people eating. We have a habit of eating more than our other counterparts in the world. There are people who enjoy life, and probably that is the reason things will be shifted from one place to another. And we have a coastline unmatched to any other probably continent. The internal transportation is very, very huge. We have 12 million people who are actually been involved in logistics. More than 200 shipping agencies are there. 36 logistic services which are there. And if I talk about ICD, not less than 125 ICDs are there, and 50 IT ecosystems run. I am not mentioning about banks or insurance agencies which are involved in the entire part. And a very big number of direct employment, that is drivers, cleaners, people who load, upload the things. And what happens in logistic business? Logistic business will change with the use of geospatial technology. We in railways also have used geospatial technology, and we were very careful about the data going out. Railways not only carries passengers, but we also carry freights, and we also carry something which is called as strategic things. We carry Indian Army, we carry nuclear fuel, we carry currency notes. So we would not like others to know what we are carrying, where we are carrying, and what we are carrying, when we are carrying. So probably we thought we should use geospatial technologies, fourth generation industrial revolution or a fifth generation technology, which are indigenous homegrown. And that's why we use ISRO, and I'm very happy. Rajiv ji also has thought about this particular line. And the perfection is 25 centimeters to the point, which is right now in the civilian domain. I think we are the best in the world. ISRO that gives us a very nice service. Of course, we'll have to build up on the strategic side of the geospatial focus. But this tells us, and after February 2020, see, the world before February 2020 and the world after February 2020 is total disruption. We never thought world will be like this. We will be inaugurating sitting here. I'm being denied a privilege of traveling to Calcutta at cost of Kashyap Computing. Else आप लोग मुझे वहाँ बुलाते हैं, मैं वहाँ आता, रसगुल्ला खाता, फिर उद्घाटन करता. यहाँ बैठ के करना पड़ता. तो the world has changed all over. The entire things, the way we will do business, disruption has come, and the disruption can be easy if person is intelligent. And I think just think about one thing. I'll give one example. Mumbai, there is a company called as Associated Capsules Limited. What does this company do? They build the capsule which is outside. The medicine is filled inside, but the capsule covers are being made by them. Now, when they travel from Mumbai to Kolkata borders, when they enter from Choish Pargana into Bangladesh, this has to be on temperature. The temperature has to be maintained. The humidity has to be maintained. The speed has to be maintained. Otherwise, if the altitude goes up and down, the capsules may collapse. They would like to have technology around a logistic solution. They would like to have IoTs to tell them what is the humidity inside the container, what is the speed, where is the goods right now, whether the driver is over speeding. Now, many questions earlier were not been answered, and insurance was very high. And now with this technology coming in, the answers are plenty. I think probably the loss which used to happen in the logistics sector is less, will be reduced. This will also help us to reduce the response time. Many times we used to have drivers sitting just 500 meters away idle, and we would search 10 kilometers away in some mandi drivers, and drivers would not be available. So that response times has comes down. KYC will be known. I would know who is driving my goods from one logistic area to another. I can go and check his KYC. I can the business continuity can be there. If I know that where exactly my goods are there, I can put in my BCP, business continuity plan, in place. Location tracking will help me whether I should have my loaders ready to offload it, my godowns to be ready to receive my consignment. So optimum utilization of resources, whether it is man or machine, will reduce the cost. Finally, it is about economics. If we can bring the cost of logistics from 14% down to 10%, probably India would have a lot of strength to migrate from 1 trillion to 5 trillion economy. And KCM Connect, by launching the convoy today, has helped the dream of Prime Minister Modi to come true. Probably this will be contributor to the our entire dream of becoming a 5 trillion economy. If this tool helps everybody to reduce the cost, reduce the response time, and increase the productivity. So I would like to congratulate Rajiv ji and everybody who's involved in this. Uh, and may Lord Jagannath make this as a big success, help the country to grow to the dreams which Prime Minister Modi is saying. आप सभी को नमस्कार.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request you, I'll share my screen, and with the click of the button, we will have a video launch and then the website. So I'll share my screen. So you have access, sir, Vinita. Now you can click this button, this one. You can launch the program.
Zoom does not give the access. You have to click it. I can see your screen, but what I would do is when I say click, I think probably you'll have to help me to click it because
You have the access. I have given you the access.
access won't come here because
You have the access. You already have. You have selected that. You just double click that.
Okay.
I believe the video quality was a bit good. I hope that it was a bit good and you could see that. And this is our website. Can you see this?
Not very clear.
Is it fine now?
Yes.
Yes, yes, much better.
Okay. So this is the website we have. And I'll just show you the desktop part. So this is what we have. Right now, we can show you the transporter dashboard. We have different dashboard for customer and drivers as well. So over to Vinidhi.
Thank you. I think let me declare it to be inaugurated open and wish everybody who was part of this a grand success. My namaskar to Professor Prabal also and everybody who are present here. And thank you for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the official launch of this program, our application. I would now request the chairperson of the program, Professor Prabal Kishan Singh, sir, sir, for his inaugural speech. So over to Prabal, sir.
On behalf of KCM Connect, I would first like to place on record our sincere thanks and gratitude to Mr. Vineet Goenka-ji, who has made it convenient to spare his time to launch this website of our brilliant student Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv is a graduate engineer from the Birla Institute of Technology, Ranchi and Mesra. And then he did his entrepreneurship management program from XLRI. And I always used to say to the students that today there is a need for not job seekers, but job creators. And Rajiv had been a job creator in the true sense of the term. He's a successful entrepreneur. And what is very good and what makes me feel very good is that he always has the benefit of the society in his mind whenever he carries out any entrepreneurial scheme. And this particular initiative, Convoy, as Vineet Goenka-ji has very clearly delineated, is a very important, will be a very important contributor to our GDP. We know that transport is an important component, integral component of the service sector. And service sector today is the largest contributor to the gross domestic product. And when a country's GDP goes up, we say that the country is subject to economic growth. And we always said to the students that our policy makers, they have three main macroeconomic goals. One is growth, and another is price stability, and third is social justice. And now this will contribute to gross domestic product. There is no doubt about it. And it will also facilitate price stability in the country. Because if things are moved in time from one place to another, it will certainly ensure that the prices do not go up unnecessarily. And we see this whenever there is a bandh or any kind of dislocation to the transport sector, there is a price rise. So therefore, if the transport sector wheels move, properly, then the price stability can be ensured. So gross domestic product, price stability, and social justice. This transport sector in various ways contributes to employment. Not only employment, of course, facilitates social justice. The transport sector also ensures that things of necessity reach the people who need this. The underserved and unserved sectors of the economy, sections of the people, they can get the things of their need. So that will facilitate social justice. And I'm so happy that Rajiv has launched a scheme today with the blessings of Vineet Goenka ji, and which will facilitate not only the growth of the economy, it will facilitate price stability. It will also help us in getting social justice. So I congratulate Rajiv Kumar, and I know that Rajiv is accompanied by brilliant people. One IIM Ranchi graduate is there, and postgraduate and doctorate from IIM Ranchi, who is a professor in a management school. He is with him. Tathagat Chakravarti is another brilliant boy who is with him. And so there are, brilliant people who surround, Rajiv. But Rajiv is the person who guides everyone to take the appropriate steps. And on this occasion, I would like to congratulate Rajiv, and I would once again like to thank and convey my gratitude to Mr. Vineet Goenka ji, who has made it convenient to come and launch this program. Of course, I would also be very happy to welcome Vineet Goenka ji in Calcutta. I am not a Calcuttan in that sense. I have moved around the country, but at the end of my career, after retiring from XLRI, I had the pleasure of coming back to my home. But had there been no lockdown, had there been normal movements, then perhaps I would have had the pleasure of having Vineet Goenka ji at my residence for a couple of minutes. So I missed that. Minus that, everything is very happy occasion today. And it's Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra is a very auspicious day. As Vineet ji said, it is auspicious day for the entire subcontinent. It's not only for the eastern part of the country, Odisha and Bengal, it's for India, and it's for the entire subcontinent, because Rath Yatra is observed in various ways. So it's there could not have been a more appropriate moment to launch this socially useful, economically beneficial scheme which Rajiv had thought of. Vineet ji, once again आपको नमस्कार, आपको धन्यवाद।
बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सभी लोग से आगे लूंगा मैं, और जिस दिन भी मैं कलकत्ता आऊंगा तो आप लोगों को जरूर मिलूंगा। वैसे कलकत्ता से मेरा बड़ा प्यारा नाता है, शायद कुछ ही लोगों को पता होगा कि আমি জামাই, আমার বউ বাঙালি। So being a Jamai of Bengal, I feel privileged when I come there. And the food is really good. So thank you very much for inviting me, and all the best, Rajiv ji. Thank you, everybody. If you permit me, I'll leave and go to another webinar which is there.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
so much for being in this program.
Thank you.
Now I would hand over the session to Priyambada.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Sen, sir. I would request now Professor Abhilash Acharya of IIM Ranchi and IIM IFT Kolkata, the Chief Strategic Advisor of KCM Connect, and would request him to share his views on strategies of Team KCM Connect for Convoy.
Yeah, hello everyone. I hope I am audible to all of you. Good evening and welcome you all. And first of all, before going over to anything else, let me wish you all a very Shubh Rath Yatra. In fact, since we are discussing logistics, I don't think there could have been a better occasion than Rath Yatra to get this event rolling and get everything on board for all of us. So the process and planning had continued for very long. And after some time, Rajiv ji had invited me for a discussion. So when he shared all the details, I was very excited to come on board as the Chief Strategic Advisor to both KCM Connect and other verticals. And Convoy is definitely one of our prized pet projects that we are running. All the specifics and other details have already been shared by Rajiv ji, and I would encourage you all to just visit the website and check out what would be beneficial for you, and definitely recommend us to all of your near and dear ones and the ones who are in your coterie of the business. And this would be, as even Pravalji said, Vinitji said, we would be contributing socially. We would be willing to maintain all price stabilities and other issues at every nook and corner in this country, and definitely protect our data from being stolen by other multinationals or even other countries for misuse. All right, so this is one aspect that we would definitely be talking of in our next programs as well. Definitely do watch out our own series of discussions and panel talks, and also invited seminars. They would give you a lot of insights about whatever is happening all around the country and how logistics can always be a supporter to all these practices. Now, as I always say, that whether we are carrying waste or whether we are carrying wealth, this is the huge range that would be offered by logistics, and everything would fall in between. So definitely this is something we can never do out with. And no matter how much technologically advanced we become, it is always necessary to carry goods physically from one point to the other, and all the allied services that come in handy. So definitely we'll always try to improve, but not lose our roots in that sense when it comes to logistics. And definitely we'll be opting for all the options of moving our goods from one point to another. So basically from our source to our destination could be the railroad system, could be the roadways directly, could be waterways, could be a combination of all of these systems. And in the coming few years with policy changes, I think under the visionary leadership of the current dispensation, we'll definitely get other options which are more economical. So be it getting connected to the solar mini grids, that would be available across every significant junction, so that we can, recharge our own newer vehicles. So it might be electrically operated. We may not have to depend much on fossil fuel, and it would be possible for all our transporters to contribute to the social ecosystem as well, and definitely have economical modifications to their own vehicles, which they own at this point of time. So we have definitely thought on those lines as well. Going forward, we would also like to contribute towards rural development, in which, not only logistics, but also transport infrastructure would play a huge role. We are thinking on those lines as well. And definitely, if given a chance, we would also like to contribute in the field of homeland security and police administration by offering them support systems that can help them easily handle crime situations, and also avert all such exigencies in the near future, and even look at healthcare transportation as well, which would be improving the ambulance service, and not just depending on stopgap options of building a green network to transport maybe organs from Karnataka to Himachal Pradesh. We can have a more robust and systematic development towards in this particular area as well. And definitely we are also looking at options to avert accidents, when there is no one practically around you to save you when you meet with an accident. and how we can develop a solution that things can happen automatically, connecting the entire police system and also the healthcare administration. We have been thinking on those lines, and definitely we plan to surprise the entire market with all kinds of disruptive options that we can offer them. So do be with us, do support us, and definitely I would look forward to connecting with you all through our app and in the bigger market in general. So thank you for having me today on board.
Thank you, Abhilash sir. Next, I would request Mr. Prabhat K. Verma, Chief Information Officer, KCM Connect, to check on how transporters and logistics service providers can be benefited with Convoy. Over to sir. Thank you, sir.
Yep, thanks, Priyamada. So I would like to first give the warm welcome to everyone, and especially Prabal sir and everyone who is in here in the board. I remember those days when we and Rajiv generally discuss a lot of the things, some of the ideas, bunch of the ideas, not only the some, bunch of the ideas. And one day we suddenly start to say that why not we can start something? We can think about something and we should start. So starting point is something to start to finish rather than finish a start to more. Better to start and a stop. So suddenly we discussed a lot about the logistics, started with that, came to the point that how to start, and then we created some of the teams. And I would also like to shout out for Brindr, our CTO, especially for this launching program, Convoy.com. And we all really did a good job. We can say like that. I can say like that because today is the day when we are celebrating in India the Rath Yatra, and parallelly we are doing something for the logistic, the Yatra, Rath Yatra, and the logistic for the Yatra and the Indian peoples. It's a really good auspicious day, and for us it's a really good day. So I would like to say thanks to everyone. As a Chief Informative Officer, I can give you some of the ideas which we are trying to fulfill, and we will try to fulfill through this application or these products. So first of all, I would like to say that one of the, India is a big marketplace, and it's our pleasure to support such a big marketplace by this logistic things. We are not only supporting the end user or the server or the some of the users only. We are supporting here by this product a bunch more than bunch of the people with a different types. So I would like to start from the transporter prospects. One of the pain point of every transporter, and whoever in target audience is in transporter, the pain point is that truck to chala gaya hai, but wahan se khali aayega. The transporter is to get his truck back empty, as no one there on behalf of them to book. But it will get resolved by these applications, and you will able to book the truck from the backward side, not from the forward side. Some of the transporter is might be think like that. It's really very hard to book on the both ways because they need to office setup and all the setup, and it's really tough to do that. Now our application will do such type of things that your truck will book from the forward way and the backward way also. Sometimes when we are talking about the transporter, got a problem to find the driver, and on the last period of time, like driver might be say, oh, I have some urgent meetings, I have something urgency in my home, I could see. On that case, our application or product will support them to find a good star driver. And not only the good star, the rated star. I can say like rated star 5 rated, 4.5 rated, such type of rated driver is there. Just select one, start the discussion with one. In a short period of time, the transporter can get the driver very easily. Sometimes transporter got a problem to know about that, where is the truck, and he don't know anything about that truck is where is the truck until or unless they again will call to the driver will respond on time or not. But this situation is also we are going to fulfill by the process of using navigation system. And we can say broadly that we are doing this navigation, and we are using this navigation that has been built in India by the ISRO, and we are using that one. We are mainly focused towards the vocal to the local, and we are on that path. We do not want our data should go outside of India. Whatever we have, we should be in India, because the next generation, not even the next generation, is the coming generation. Where are we traveling? It's a totally based upon data. We are playing with the data. Everyone is playing with the data. So we are having such type of intention in our mind and doing the same things. In the list of some of the more things, like I can say, like when we are launching this program, when we are discussing about the transporter, driver, customer, and everyone, also we have kept one thing in our mind, that how it would be secure. So for the security point of view, for the sake of this, we are using KYC. And the KYC is for the whole level, from the driver to transporter, customer, everyone will come under the KYC process. And once we will come into the KYC process, it will really give it high level of security that no anonymous user can use that one. Another, apart from that, if we become apart from the transporter to the customer is one of the major perspectives there, and that is the USP of this site also. That what will happen if we have only few amount of load, like part load, sometimes partial load. I do not have such amount of goods that we need to book the whole truck, a small truck or minimal truck. I have, might be possible as a customer individual, I have a small amount of goods. We are supporting to such type of persons also. We are here partial load, part load of that. And apart from that, we are fully censoring them due to the damaging of the goods, for the damaging of the goods, as well as it should be safe to the destination, source to the destination. Apart from that, coming to the driver, a big marketplace we are providing for the driver, where driver can enroll himself and make them visible in the whole India, span India, that anywhere anyone can call them, or he can choose the transporter to give their service. After giving the service, someone will rate. So the rated driver count will increase, and it will give a good marketplace for them. It's not, apart from driver, when we are talking about the transporter, customer, driver, then who else? Yes, there are many things in the transporter. We say that, oh, there is a place for the agent. And yes, you listen true. We are also thinking about the agent. We thought about the agent, and we have some of the criteria under these applications for them. We have refer and earn. As much as they will refer, specifically, they will get a handsome amount as a referral. And there are more program on this, specifically for the agent in our product. Apart from that, we can say another thing that's not directly, but indirectly, it's supporting to the pan India, and it's a sale and compare. When we are saying about the sale and compare, so the sale is for the old vehicles. If you want to sell, come and sell in our site. We will buy on behalf of this, or someone will buy on the behalf of this. Then we can compare, or someone individual can compare the any vehicles, price vehicles in our site. Apart from that, that is something. And the last and but not least is that we are having the refer and add, and it's for all, not for a specific group of audience, for the all pan-India audience, where anyone can refer our program, our product, our site, and he or she can earn a handsome amount. So it's a referral and earn. So overall, a bunch of people will get benefited, and it's not only the bunch of people, the whole people of pan-India will get benefit by this program and this product. This is really not a short product, it's a big product, and the big, I can say like the big achievement into the future to get the such type of customers to get the benefit of that one, to use that. So due to this, I would like to say thanks to Praval sir and our KCM Connect team member and everyone in audience. Thanks, Premada. Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhat ji. I would request Mr. Tathagata Chakrabarty, the Vice President, Public Relations, KCM Connect, to convey his thanks note to all.
Honorable Sri Vinit Goenka ji, respected Professor Praval Kumar Sen sir, Executive Director Sri Rajiv Kumar ji, our most valued invited guests, ladies, gentlemen. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a note of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Kashyap Computing and Management Private Limited and the entire KCM team, KCM Connect team, here together and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for gracing us with your presence and sharing with us your findings and encouragement today. A big thank you to Sri Vineet Goenkaji for your encouragement and endorsement of Convoy with your presence as chief guest in this program through social media platform and formally launching the Convoy. I must mention our deep sense of respect and gratitude for Professor Prabal Sen sir for his active mentoring throughout the development of the concept Convoy. Further, we are grateful to Rajiv ji for his well-expounding speech and introduction of KCM Connect with need of the Convoy. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Abhilash Acharya ji for giving an excellent coverage of strategies of Team KCM Connect for Convoy. I also wish to express my gratitude to Prabhat ji for providing us a well-researched and documented concept utility benefit analysis of various opportunities and services of Convoy. I am also very thankful to Ms. Priyambada Das for her effort to make this launching ceremony of Convoy a memorable one. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to entire KCM Connect team, especially Rajiv ji, for the perfect logistics support and guidance he has extended to all of us at occasion. Well, Mr. Chairman, sir, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye of details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated members of KCM Connect who know their job and are result-oriented. Eminent guests, ladies, gentlemen, your active support and unremitting alliance shall cheer us to the relentlessly fill in and expand our services to serve you better. Chairman, sir, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I want to state that we are all most grateful to all speakers on this social platform. We thank you for being with us this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you very much. With this, we are coming to the launching ceremony of Convoy on behalf of KCM Connect. Signing off for the event. Wish you a very good night.